Have you ever imagined turning just a few words into breathtaking images? That's exactly what MidJourney does. It's an AI model that transforms simple text prompts into stunning visual art. Let's explore how it works. It starts with a prompt, for example, a futuristic city at sunset in cyberpunk style. This sentence is broken into words, then transformed into numerical values called embeddings. These embeddings help the model understand both the content and the mood of the scene. The embeddings are passed through a powerful neural network. It learns what futuristic, city, and cyberpunk should look like based on millions of previous images and styles. Then the real magic begins, the diffusion process. It starts with pure noise, a random image that looks like static. Slowly, step by step, MidJourney begins refining this noise. Shapes emerge, colors align, details sharpen. The AI doesn't just create, it imagines. It understands how to balance light and shadow, composition and perspective, emotion and meaning. MidJourney also applies its own artistic interpretation. Each result is unique, influenced by both your words and the model's creative training. In the end, from just a sentence, you get a complete visual story. This is more than just image generation. This is machine-powered imagination. This is MidJourney.